Okay, well, Trump always has a scam. Now the felon Donald Trump and his sons, Eric and Don Jr., have gotten together with some other business people, and they have a cell phone, Donald Trump's cell phone and cell service. This is to bypass all the other cell people. I think this is so that Donald Trump can make secret calls and does not have to go through anything that can be checked by the FBI or anyone else. So now he is selling a cell phone. I think it's $500 plus, of course, monthly cell service. They say through this cell phone you can also get medications from a doctor. It has telemedicine so that you don't have to see a doctor in person. You just call up and order what you want, and then have to check and see if that's illegal. And then it also has AI, and I'm not exactly sure what the AI does, and it has email. So again, that would be private. You could do communications on the Donald Trump cell phone, and you wouldn't have to go through a service which might be under the ruling of the FBI or Department of Justice or anyone that could investigate him for illegal dealings, money laundering, and other things that Trump is involved with. So here we go. Trump cell phone. Oh, this guy is a piece of work. Like and subscribe. Bye.